Alright guys, so I've got something special for you today, the Lenovo ThinkPad TrackPoint Keyboard 2. If you're a ThinkPad devotee, or just someone who appreciates a seriously good keyboard, you need to check this out. This isn't just any keyboard. It's bringing that iconic ThinkPad typing experience to any device. We're talking Bluetooth and wireless connectivity. So whether you're rocking a desktop, laptop, tablet, even your phone, this thing's got you covered. Now, the star of the show here is, of course, the TrackPoint. That little red nubbin, the legendary pointing stick, it's here in all its glory. If you've never used a TrackPoint before, it might seem a little weird at first, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's incredibly precise and efficient. No more dragging your hand back and forth to the mouse. Everything's right there at your fingertips. And for those who prefer a more traditional approach, it's got a full trackpad too, so you've got options. The keys themselves? Oh, they're a dream. That classic ThinkPad sculpted keycap design, the satisfying travel, the perfect tactile feedback, it's all here. This is a keyboard built for serious typing, whether you're hammering out code, writing a novel, or just firing off emails. It just feels right, and because it's wireless, you can ditch the cable clutter and enjoy a clean, minimalist setup. The build quality is rock solid, as you'd expect from a ThinkPad product. It's got that familiar matte black finish, it feels sturdy and durable, and it's just overall a premium piece of kit. It's definitely designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. Plus, it's surprisingly compact, so it won't take up a ton of space on your desk. Now let's talk about connectivity. You've got two options here, Bluetooth or the included wireless dongle. Bluetooth is great for pairing with multiple devices, while the dongle gives you a rock-solid, low-latency connection. I've used both, and they both work flawlessly. Switching between devices is a breeze too. One thing I particularly appreciate is the dedicated function keys. You've got controls for volume, brightness, media playback, and more, all right at your fingertips. No more hunting through menus or keyboard shortcuts. It's all right there. It's these little details that really elevate the user experience. So, who is this keyboard for? Well, if you're a ThinkPad fan, it's a no-brainer. If you're looking for a top-tier ergonomic keyboard with that legendary TrackPoint, this is it. If you value a comfortable and efficient typing experience, this is definitely worth considering. It's not the cheapest keyboard out there, but you're paying for quality, durability, and that signature ThinkPad feel. And in my opinion, it's worth every penny. This keyboard has quickly become my daily driver, and I can't imagine going back to anything else. It's just that good. So, if you're in the market for a new keyboard, definitely check out the Lenovo ThinkPad TrackPoint Keyboard 2. You won't be disappointed.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.